So friends, today's letter is write a letter to your friends describing workshop which you attended recently. So start with sender's address, then date, and then dear and your friends का नाम आ जाएगा. Then you can start the body of the letter. I hope this letter finds you doing well. I'm writing to share with you about the workshop I recently attended, and it was on topic यहाँ topic आ जाएगा and was held at location last weekend. The workshop was a full day event and it was led by a well known profession who is an expert in the field. तो यहाँ प्रोफेशन आ जाएगा जिस प्रोफेशन का जो एक्सपर्ट है उसे लीड करने के लिए बुलाया गया था. So the day started with the introduction to the topic. It's important. So the speaker was knowledgeable and engaging, and she presented the material in a way that was easy to understand. So throughout the day we covered various aspects of the topic through lectures, group discussions, and interactive activities. And one of the highlight of the workshop was a group activity where we had to work in a team to solve a real world problem related to the topic. Fine. So it was a challenging, but it helped us to apply the concept we had learned and work together as a team. Overall, the workshop was an enriching experience, and I came away with a lot of new insight and ideas. I'm grateful for the opportunity to attend the workshop and for the knowledge and connection gained. I hope this letter finds you inspired and curious, and I look forward to catching up with you soon. Then you can write take care, your loving friend, and then you can write your name or sender's name. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new on channel, and like as well.